Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, February 9, 2023 on our channel. Carrier reports strong 2022 results and announces 2023 outlook. SEUR announces a new center of more than 3,500 square meters in El Puerto de Santa Maria. Love Group, $25 million from Banco BPM for sustainable growth. Natural Refrigerants 2023. Supermarket chain Food City first to install Honeywell Solstice N71 refrigerant. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Carrier reports strong 2022 results and announces 2023 outlook. Carrier Global Corporation reported strong financial results for the fourth quarter and full year of 2022. The company projects continued organic growth in 2023 and is well positioned with a strong balance sheet with significant capital to deploy towards continued value creation. And quote, our fourth quarter results represent the culmination of a year marked by strong execution and innovation. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. SEUR announces a new center of more than 3,500 square meters in El Puerto de Santa Maria. SEUR continues to deploy its expansion strategy with the announcement of a future distribution center in the Las Salinas Industrial Estate in El Puerto de Santa Maria. These new facilities will receive an investment of €3 million, and it will be from where the company centralizes all its activity in the area. The opening of this new center, which will have 3,500 square meters built on a 9,500 square meters plot, is scheduled for next Christmas, and will be equipped with a cold room for managing shipments at a controlled temperature, 5 docks for trailers and 70 for vans. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Love Group, $25 million from Banco BPM for sustainable growth. Banco BPM continues to support the sustainable investments of Love Group, with a €25 million loan. The group is a multinational based in Varese, listed on the Euronext Star Milan segment, and one of the major operators in the world in the air heat exchangers sector. The transaction has sustainability as its objective and is linked to the improvement of specific performance indicators, ESG KPIs. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Natural Refrigerants 2023. Natural Refrigerants 2023 will take place on February 23 to 25 in Bucharest and contains all the elements of an outstanding package, conference, exhibition and training. The event, now in its second edition after the success of 2019, brings together leading international companies that will be showcasing their products in a high-profile exhibition. During the 3 days of Natural Refrigerants 2023, industry specialists, technicians, engineers, design and execution consultants will participate in conferences and an intensive training course. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Supermarket chain Food City first to install Honeywell Solstice N71 refrigerant. Honeywell announced that Food City has installed Honeywell Solstice N71, R471A, refrigerant in its Kodak, Tennessee, store. The solution is being used to cool the store's beverage lineup while helping increase energy efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Solstice N71 is Honeywell's newest low global warming potential (GWP) non-ozone depleting, non-flammable refrigerant based on hydrofluoroolefin (HFO) technology. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.